Advanced Keratin Treatment Kit. A 3-step process, our hair keratin treatment features 3 unique hair restoration formulas that includes a deep clean, revitalizing hydrator, and protective finish to help nourish your hair. Shinier, smoother and healthier looking. This keratin straightening treatment gives you more control over frizzy or curly hair while diminishing dry damage for a brilliant shine that looks fuller and more vibrant. Improves control and manageability. An intense curly hair treatment. This formula makes it easier to style and manage your hair, which is important for capturing specific looks and styles that leave you feeling beautiful and confident. Supports dry, damaged, or colored hair. Our keratin treatment can be used on all types of hair including colored, permed, relaxed, straightened, highlighted, bleached, and ethnic hair types to support men and women more effectively. Enhanced moisture and damage repair. Agi Max Brazilian Keratin Treatment is crafted with scalp and hair-safe ingredients that are free from formaldehyde or harsh chemicals that dry you out for improved moisture retention and protection. Protect, nourish, and hydrate hair while improving manageability and control with Agi Max. The Agi Max Brazilian Keratin Treatment is an innovative 3-step process that nourishes and revitalizes hair without chemically altering hair strands by sealing the hair in revitalizing keratin. A major change over traditional relaxers. Agi Max does not break hair bonds or change the molecular structure of the hair, which can weaken strands and cause irreversible damage. In fact, our 3-step process helps relax and nourish your hair by forming a protective coating over the hair that restores manageability, control, and brilliant shine. It features an advanced amino acid complex that replenishes the keratin in dry and damaged hair to make it softer and more manageable from root to tip while improving strength and vibrance. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. I've used some other brands but I was very impressed with this one. This will be my go-to now. Thanks.